Gonzalez. Let's get right into the news. The 6th grade classes are working on a community service project for Posh Pets. Here's Ava with a little bit more information.
So, Grace, what's something that you've learned from this project?
I've learned it's better to work as a team instead of it as an individual because you have more people to get projects done.
I like making the boxes and doing posters.
You had to do communication and teamwork to work together.
I'm proud of helping Posh Pets get stuff for the animals so the animals can have a better life, and Posh Pets has more stuff to help with the animals.
And now our special guest,
Mrs. Nurse.
Mrs. Nurse, what's the most challenging part through this project?
The most challenging part was really getting my students to independently select a community service project that they really thought was special to them.
What's the whole journey been like for you?
Oh, it's been an amazing one. Once students found out which community service project was chosen, they all rallied behind that project, and they worked hard in really thinking of ideas how to create a flyer that was going to bring attention to Posh Pets and getting them the most donations as possible. They worked hard on writing, typing out why it was important to support this drive, when and where, and really what the benefits of donations could mean for these animals in need.
Thank you, Mrs. Nurse.
Back to the studio! Last week, our school and an assembly talking about Black History Month. They taught us about it through songs. Here are some photos, videos, and interviews to show you more about it.
Hi, I'm Scarlett, and I'm here with
Ronnie Miles.
Michelle Crossley. Deputy County Executive Anissa Moore.
Stephen Angel. Tonio Simmons.
And Mrs. Farrell.
What were your thoughts about this show?
I thought that LBMS was very energetic. I thought it was amazing. We thank God for every opportunity we get to come into the school and help teach anything about Black history, but also the participation from you guys was amazing.
I'm going to say that the Long Beach Middle School did an amazing job in celebrating Black History Month and coming together and showing unity and love for all people, and I'm just so glad to be here today.
This is one of our favorite traditions here in Long Beach, this Black History Month through Music Assembly, and we love having the Nehemiah movement here with us, and we love uniting together through music.
Well, thank you so much. You guys did really good.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Miles, and I'm here with
Mr. Neary,
Miss Espinette,
and Elijah.
What was your favorite part of the assembly?
My favorite part of the assembly was rehearsing for it and spending time with everybody beforehand and having so much fun putting the music together.
That's awesome.
I love seeing the reaction of the kids in the audience. When they get into the music, it really helps us get through the music.
My favorite part was probably when the 6th graders came out because they were very more energetic than the first 2 grades.
I agree.
And now, back to the studio.
Thank you for watching the Lido Boulevard Journal. Signing off is Miles Brennan and Amico Gonzalez. Stay tuned after the credits for the fun fact of the day.